And the first thing I want to cover is how your workspace is structured. This is also called the hierarchy. So here I have an illustration of how this hierarchy looks like. All the way at the top of the hierarchy, there's the workspace, which we have created before. In my case, this is just my company, Medix Media. And then at the second level, we have spaces. So these could be different departments in your company, for example, like a marketing department or a sales department. Then below the spaces, we have lists, and we can organize these lists into folders. So folders is not really a separate level of the hierarchy. It's more a way to organize your lists. And then within each lists, we can add tasks. And for each task, we can add a subtask and even a nested task. So it's really important that you understand how this hierarchy works so that you can build an organized workspace. And I'm going to leave a link to this illustration down below in the description so you can save it somewhere, and whenever you get confused, you can just go back to it and it should make things a lot clearer.